Hello everyone, so this is going to be a short video showcasing one of the websites that I designed and coded in the past. So before designing this website, I do have some idea about, what do I want my personal website to look like. So I do know I want to keep as simple as possible, and I also did some research. I got so much inspiration from those wonderful web designers out there. There's one feature that attracts me a lot, which is this typewriter effect. So I'm going to reload this page so you can see this from a fresh look. So I feel like this typewriter effect really helps add some dynamics into this whole website and give it more like animated like feeling to this website. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it when we dig into the code. But for now, let's just focusing on this website. And here are the nav bars. And I intentionally picked the font that I really like, which kind of goes along with the whole feeling of this website. And all the pictures I found here are from Upslash. And here, if you scroll down, I write a bunch of text saying about what I've done and what I'm currently doing. And I also wrote a bunch of texts kind of introducing who I am and what I believe. But as hindsight, I feel like, it kind of conflicts with the idea of simplicity of the whole design. So I removed this whole section completely. So if you go to my current website under the domain name theChristineCai.com, I actually just revamped my website a couple days ago, so it will be a totally different look. And this video is just to documenting one of the previous version of the website that I used to showcasing all my portfolios. And here are a list of some of the projects I've did when I was an undergrad and grad student. And underneath them, I have included all my social media handles such as LinkedIn, Twitter, also my portfolio accounts such as Behance, GitHub, etc. So here I'll just talk of one of the examples, which is this parenting app design, which I designed when I was in grad school. So this is an app that was supposed to empower parents of infant and toddlers to kind of teach them how to spend quality time with their kids. And here is an overview of what this app. And so first I did some interview and also read a bunch of paper to identify what is the problem, what is the pinpoint for the parents out there with their digital natives. And then here, after talking to them, I listed some of the research findings that says about what is the most state-of-the-art learning theories that we can incorporate designing this app, because I want to make sure it's scientific backed up. And then on the third section, I have proposed a potential solution to solve these problems. And then here is the designing process of designing the whole thing. The whole project took me like half semester long, and I spent a majority of the time researching and read papers. I read about 20 research papers before I really sit down and design the whole app. And the app prototyping tool I use here is called a Marvel app. And here are just some examples of what does the page look like. I definitely need to make a lot of changes in the future, and hopefully I will redesign all the UIs and upload them onto my current website shortly. So that's pretty much it. Now let's dig into the code. So here is my HTML, which shows all the structure of my website. And as I said about this effect called typewriter, so I have my typewriter, this typewriter CSS class here. All this section of code is from W3 School, and what you need to do is just manipulating all the arguments such as time, position, etc. Because depending on the length of the text you are presenting, you need to change the time, how quick or how slow do you want this typewriter to kind of show up. And also, if you want to show up the whole paragraph, you also need to change some of the width and some of the other stuff here. You can also manipulate the RGBA to kind of change the color and the transparency. So that's pretty much it for this website. What I want to say, let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.